Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. We recently discovered the SanDisk 256GB Extreme microSD UHS-I Card, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive right into what this product is all about. The SanDisk 256GB Extreme microSD card is a high-performance storage solution designed for those who need speed and reliability. With read speeds of up to 245 MB per second and write speeds reaching 170 MB per second, this microSD card is perfect for capturing high-resolution photos and videos, including stunning 5.3K and 4K UHD content. One of the standout features of this card is its impressive video speed class ratings of U3 and V30, which ensure that you can record smooth, uninterrupted video footage. Whether you're filming action-packed moments or serene landscapes, this card is built to handle the demands of high-quality video recording. And with a capacity of 256 GB, you have ample space to store all your media without constantly worrying about running out of storage. But that's not all. The SanDisk Extreme microSD card is also designed with durability in mind. It's temperature-proof, humidity-proof, waterproof, shock-proof, drop-proof, magnet-proof, X-ray-proof, and wear-out-proof. This means you can take it on your adventures without the fear of damaging your valuable data. Whether you're hiking in the mountains, filming at the beach, or simply using it on your daily commute, you can trust this microSD card to keep your files safe. So, who is this card suitable for? If you're a photographer or videographer, this card is an excellent choice for you. It's ideal for action cameras, drones, and Android devices, making it versatile for various applications. Content creators will appreciate its ability to handle large video files without compromising quality, while casual users can benefit from its straightforward performance when storing photos and videos on their smartphones. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. If you're a drone enthusiast, the SanDisk Extreme microSD card allows you to capture breathtaking aerial footage without missing a moment. For vloggers and filmmakers, its high-speed capabilities mean you can record high-resolution content that's ready for editing right away. And for everyday users, whether you're shooting family gatherings or vacation highlights, this card has the capacity to hold thousands of photos and hours of video. Additionally, managing your content is a breeze with the SANDISK Memory Zone app. This desktop and Android mobile app enables you to easily backup, organize, and transfer your photos and videos, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Overall, the SanDisk 256GB Extreme microSD UHS-I card stands out for its remarkable speed, massive capacity, and robust durability. Whether you're a professional creator or a casual user, this card provides the performance you need to capture life's most important moments. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.